Hello everybody, just a quick little video on text to 3D. I used Meshy. I asked it to make me 3 alien skulls and mesh them together. I took it over to Nomad. I only liked one of the skulls. I ended up using Nomad to take the other 2 out, cloning the one I liked and putting them together. From there, took it over to Orca Slicer. Made sure I added supports, tree supports. I like those. And then I sent it over to the 3D printer. Printed it out. Took a little while. I think it took about an hour 45 minutes. When it was done, took it outside, gave it some primer, sandable primer, to try to get rid of all the swirls, and then airbrushed it. Let me know what you think.